Hey everybody, I'm gonna do a short video here today. Yeah, I know there's a heat lamp and everybody's gonna go crazy. You don't need a heat lamp, but I had to clean out everything and lost all the hair for the nest. And this litter's got a tote that they're in right now because outside and the colony's not really set up very well, so they've all been in the garage here. And it's still getting pretty cold at nighttime, so just trying to do a little bit to make them help. But he was a 300-gallon water trough here, and I just put everybody back in here, so they were running around. So now they're all tired. But you know, all the baby bunnies hanging out with mom, and obviously they enjoy a little bit of heat, so they all run around plenty. But I just kind of showing our setup. We're going to clip, and I'll show you the bucket burrows we have. Hopefully that'll turn into how they nest from now on. But also another idea what we do is, this is our little one. We had a doe. She's in there actually. As I just put them all in here, so she's in there now with them. But she had a litter the other day out in the straw, and the straw needs cleaned out in the hutch. So I put them in the cat box, and she's pretty territorial. She'll sit right in front of the cat box and make sure nobody else gets to them. And if you go to check on the baby, she kind of grunts at you and make sure see what you're doing. But I gave her own little tote here. I think it's like a 100-gallon tank. Works pretty nice. I got a hanging cage, but it's really not the best, so bring them in the garage so they're out of the weather and everything. But I figured I'd do a little clip of cute little babies. They're, I don't know, what are they? They're 2.5 weeks, I believe. So they're doing all right. I got 6 white ones, and the 2 black ones were from a different litter that we had to foster over, but Mama's doing pretty good with them. They're all bundled up with her. So, well, like I said, we'll clip and I'll show the bucket burrows. But hope you guys enjoy the videos. Take care. Hello everyone. Came outside to do a short little video on kind of a bucket burrow idea, which I still don't know I'm convinced of, but this is more or less what's going to be done with it. Put 5-gallon buckets in. Okay, got this idea off a number of different things on YouTube. Drill a 6-inch hole up top. Oh, everybody's running around playing or being grumpy, one of the two. So drill a 6-inch hole up top, 6-inch hole in the bottom, as you can see. Pipe that connects the two, about 1 foot long, goes to the back section. I got the lids that screw off. So where the nests are, you can unscrew the lids and kind of look down the nest if we think there's any babies or not. Obviously, since I put the dirt hill here, they started digging at it, so I might have to put some more rocks or some wire down on that hill to keep them from digging at them. But we got some plots back here that we're going to do potatoes in this year, and gives the rabbits some place to hide and they go from shade. Found a piece of culvert pipe when I was walking the woods checking deer cameras, so I threw that in there so somebody can crawl in and hide. Definitely the dirt I put on there they've dug away, so I'm gonna have to do something different with that. But posted some pictures and everybody asked to kind of see it when it was done, so this is it. Mostly done, I guess. Guess we got a little bit more work to do, but other than that, this big dirt hill over there, that big black culvert pipe is going to come, and we're going to have an opening here and kind of like have a door there so I can block it off, but got to finish closing that in on that side. But they'll be able to get to that dirt hill too, so when they get to that and dig their own burrows, they might not even use these buckets, but they're here if they want them. Other than that, they go inside. They've been having their babies in the straw inside, which hasn't been the most ideal because it's wet and dirty. I mean, even if I clean it out once a week or so. So we typically put them in a cat box then once they have a litter inside, and so the other does don't jump on them. But for the most part, this is what it is. I gotta get grass seed planted and get it sectioned off so they don't destroy everything, because I would have never guessed that everything would be so muddy and grass would die so fast. So Well, hope you liked the video. If you want to see more videos, subscribe to our Facebook page, and we'll try to do more as the weather breaks here finally and starts to get a little nicer so we can get outside. But all right, have a good evening. God bless. Thanks.